3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it's money.
अगर आपकी किताब में ये गलती है तो गलती सही, और क्या आपका फर्ज नहीं बनता कि अपनी बेटी की गलतियों को माफ कर दे?
मैं सीधे सादे ढंग से कहता हूँ अपनी बात, एक घर बसाना चाहता हूँ मैं तुम्हारे साथ। क्या दोगी मेरे हाथों में, बोलो तुम अपना हाथ। क्या दोगी मेरे हाथों में, बोलो तुम।
Inside.
पानी सब काय नाही
Ça fait 4 ans et demi que j'ai quitté ma maison à Delhi pour venir à Bombay, essayer de m'installer ici pendant 3 mois pour voir si je pouvais devenir acteur ou pas, devenir star. J'ai déjà fait les projets internationaux avec Mira Nair sur Monsoon Wedding, le mariage des moussons, qui a eu le Lion d'Or à Venise. Même là, le rôle était un peu coupé, mais bon, j'en faisais partie quand même. Et donc, c'est des petits pas. Et comme on dit en Chine, le plus grand des voyages commence avec le plus petit des pas.
And then what would you do? You become an actor?
Most probably.
But you leave your studies?
I think I'll do correspondence if possible.
But you'll focus on to acting?
Yes. See, in correspondence I'll get the exam once a year, and the remaining time I can do my theatres, dance, plays.
Who inspires you most?
Amitabh Bachchan, Ajay Devgan, Shahrukh Khan, Amir Khan, Hrithik Roshan, Sylvester Stallone, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Al Pacino, Robert De Niro. There are many.
What about Ajay Devgan that you like most?
Ajay Devgan, in a scene he can be very, he does not give a word also, he does not speak also, but he expresses himself with his eyes.
You would also be an actor if you were to given a choice?
If I get a chance, I'll do it.
There are no chances, you know. You never get chances. Chances are to be made. There are about 6-7 schools going on in Bombay. We have opened up because all these people are not doing their job, you know, which is sad, because you see there are 50,000 people who land in Bombay every day to become an actor. 50,000, can you believe it? All of these young people, you know, they get misguided sometimes. They think that they are good looking so they can do acting, but it's certainly not so. Also because acting itself is an art, you know, you have to do it for the right reasons.
अपनी खुशियाँ सब कुछ तुम्हारे त्याग नहीं लगा तुम मुझे छोड़ के नहीं जा सकते नहीं तुम कहीं नहीं जाओगी और जिमी के साथ बिल्कुल नहीं जाओगी वो बहुत ही वाहियात लड़का है तुम्हें उसके बारे में कुछ भी पता है तुम्हें मालूम होना चाहिए कि उसका बैकग्राउंड क्या है
En tant qu'acteur, j'ai joué dans plusieurs pièces, Molière, Brecht, Genet, Ionesco, Cocteau, tout. On a tout fait avec des auteurs indiens aussi. Et après j'ai fait pas mal de théâtre, mais un théâtre un peu différent avec Ariane Mouchkine, avec j'ai jamais travaillé avec Peter Brook, mais j'ai eu la chance d'être associé avec un de ses projets qui est la Mahabharata.
छोटा सा करते हैं चलिए रिपीट व्हाट शी डिड एग्जैक्टली एक साथ या
मुझे अपनी माँ के पास जाने दो
हाथ वाथ याद है ना वापस आइए ऑलराइट कैन यू सिंग इट कैन एनीबॉडी सिंग दिस
मुझे अपनी माँ के पास जाने दो
मुझे अपनी माँ के पास जाने दो
Without dancing, I don't think you can become a hero or a heroine here. Dancing is like a big thing for us.
De trouver des rôles dans le cinéma, dans le cinéma un peu, ce qu'on appelle meaningful cinéma, un cinéma qui a un peu plus de sens. Alors que personne, moi-même inclus dedans, personne ne refuserait un rôle dans un film commercial bollywoodien, avec des danseurs, des fights, et pourquoi pas, enfin, ça m'amuse aussi de le faire. Et en même temps, c'est important. Par contre, je ne ferai pas n'importe quoi sur la télévision, je ne pourrais pas. Que pour l'argent, non, je ne pourrais pas. Je préfère vendre des cacahuètes à côté sur les quais de Bombay Central que de jouer dans une déchetée, quoi. Non.
almost everybody who comes into the city does come to me at some point or the other. And I have seen a lot of careers go upwards.
How many photos do you have here?
A total of about 35,000 plus. People ranging from children, character models, the female models, the mainstream female models, the mainstream male models. So we should have about 35,000 plus, which is a lot of people trying to get into the industry. The number of people who come in and leave as quickly is also very large. So it's really a little difficult to keep track of the exact number, but it should be close to 5,000-7,000 girls, yeah. But the boys are much, much larger. I should have close to about 10,000-12,000 boys in, yeah, the lead boys.
La chose la plus difficile, c'est d'accepter le fait que tu n'es qu'un seul produit sur le marché. Aujourd'hui, tu vaux 2 roupies, demain tu vaux 2000 roupies, le surlendemain, encore 1 roupie. Je crois que le plus difficile, c'est d'accepter ça.
Like the Samsung 3 Magic Bright monitor is wonderful. It's a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful thing. No problem only. बिल्कुल खतरनाक, एकदम से काम हो गया. I like it very much. But there is also one desktop one. My wife is nothing wrong. For her, everything is done on that. I'm happy that she's happy. She sticks to the computer, makes a button, everything. What could you do?
Thank you.
Samsung Magic Bright? पापा कहते हैं Samsung Magic Bright? हाँ तो text box.
I've been modeling internationally. I've been to Paris to do the fashion week for Ritu Berry. I have modeled for Pantene for all over. A part of my Pantene film is on in New York. I have modeled for Diesel. I've modeled for telecommunication companies in America. I have gone down to Australia to shoot for them. I've just shot for the Tokyo Vogue and Cosmo. So that doesn't mean that because I'm doing a Hindi movie, I'm looking forward to a Hindi movie career, that I quit modeling. That's my first love, and that's given me the standing that I have today. So yeah, I have never really chalked out anything in my life, and I go with the flow. So I'll see how things go.
So that's you.
This is me, the normal Aparna. That's the Aparna with makeup on.
Very nice.
Okay, let me show you my bathroom.
I've seen the bathroom.
Yeah, no tiles.
No tiles I haven't seen. Are you broken this? Chandrika ji tod diya?
3 paintings. Okay, now tell me the rest of the house.
So you need to have that kind of a light.
Huh. The basic lighting, tell me. See, instead of these 2 lights, I'm going to put 2 pankhas here. For example, you will, as you can see, I'm going to be casting for a film, for the lead of a film. And that's the number of photographs I will have to choose from to find somebody who fits the brief which is given to me by the director. And I will then send the photographs to them. They will then shortlist further from that, after which we will call the girls for a screen test, and the director sees it, the producer sees it, after which I think 1 or 2 people will be taken in for another very, very specific screen test, which has probably dialogues, the makeup. There is a proper DOP called for a makeup artist is called in. We are going to Marriott, this 5-star hotel called Marriott, and we are going there to meet this guy, this director rather, who wants to meet me for his new movie. And I'm going there to be talking to him and listening to the script and to understand what does he expect out of me. So that's where we are going right now.
How good you in dancing?
Honestly, I am not the best you can get, but yeah, I'm doing an okay job of it because I just did this song with Raju. But I'm starting some dancing classes.
Another the French guy.
Have you met anybody else?
He is French. Achha, I'm glad that Mona got
Okay, no.
Okay, so you make
I'm shifting.
Yeah, she's introducing me to my cousin.
I wasn't rude and didn't do that. I need to do the whole process. More than I can say about you. The paperwork. But you don't have to
ready live in 15 seconds.
Yeah, acidity.
Live in 10.
नमस्कार, आज के मुख्य समाचार।
तीनों काम शुरू सिर्फ 6 सेकंड में।
Pendant ces 3 mois, j'ai eu la bonne fortune de faire 2 téléfilms et 2 histoires télévisées à la télévision, extraordinairement bien reçues. Et du coup, j'étais un tout petit peu établi. Trop vite à mon avis, mais un tout petit peu établi. Et je croyais que tout allait bien et que je suis arrivé, je suis devenu star et tout ça. Et depuis, bon, il y a eu des hauts et des bas, comme dans la vie de chaque acteur, dans la vie personnelle, dans la vie professionnelle, tout. Je trouve que c'est le stade le plus difficile, parce que maintenant, personne ne me demande si je sais jouer ou pas. Personne ne me demande est-ce que vous connaissez tel ou tel, ou est-ce que vous avez déjà fait tel ou tel, ça ou ça. Les gens me demandent combien et est-ce que vous êtes libre sur ces dates-là. C'est pas mal, sauf que tu t'estimes, tu te surestimes des fois en argent ou tu te surestimes des fois en talent. Et alors là t'as pas de choix. Là t'as pas de choix, tu n'as pas le droit de te planter. Il faut que tu ailles, il faut que tu fonces. Voilà. Il faut maintenant que je commence à jouer parce que jusqu'à présent j'ai eu la facilité de jouer avec des gens assez bien, assez compétents, mais j'ai jamais eu affaire à jouer avec les grandes stars, les grands acteurs, les grandes actrices.
So what do you think it takes to be an actor?
50% luck, 50% talent, or whatever you say, looks, personality. Yeah, more than 50% is luck.
Of course, you can't look like a hag, and you have to have the basic requirements. You have to look presentable and have some.
They have that basic requirement,
What about the relations?
They count. Contacts. They really count.
So talents, contacts, good looking, and chance. The chance doesn't come like that.
I think that's more than 80% true. I think there are very, very few people and extremely lucky people where the chance just, where it just falls in your lap. I don't think that happens too often. Most people have to really make it happen for themselves.
Yeah, they really have to spread. Basically, you have to make contacts. You have to push yourself. You have to promote yourself. You have to sell yourself. Okay, I'm good.
It's just a nasty world, man.
What?
It's true.
It's true,
This is, like I was saying, my dancing. 1 weak point. But it's okay, I'll get it. I don't have a choice.
Then he continues, Bolo tum apna. If he sits only in
Okay, I'll tell you what the problem is. The problem is that after this we have the Nana Nanas where the girls are doing stuff and he's dancing with them.
He's dancing with them.
It's a launch film for Abhay Deol. Now Abhay Deol comes from a very film background. His uncle was a superstar. His brother, his eldest brother, is a very big star in India right now. His young brother, I mean the second brother, is also a big star, and he's a third in the line.
Okay, let's try this again. घर बसाना चाहता हूँ मैं तुम्हारे साथ क्या दोगी मेरे हाथों में बोलो तुम अपना हाथ मूव अगेन क्या दोगी मेरे हाथों में बोलो तुम अपना हाथ that's it okay
In fact, there are 3 leads, one him and 2 other girls, and it's all of their debut. All 3 are in their first film, including actually the director's debut and the choreographer's debut. And this is a film of rising stars. So you've really hit upon it.
And the star.
J'ai déjà commencé l'ascension. Je joue dans 2 séries télévisées avec des grandes stars, des stars, mais depuis 20 ans, des actrices et des acteurs bien établis dans l'industrie.
Sheila. Jalan. Hi, sweetie, I'm back.
I can hear. मैं एक बात कहूँ तुम ये एरेस्टर्स की नौकरी छोड़ो।
क्यों?
क्योंकि बात यह है कि तुम लोग वहाँ पर इतना मुस्कुरा लेते हो, इतनी फॉल्स हंसियाँ हंस लेती हो कि तुम्हारा मन में
तुम्हारी जिंदगी में मुस्कुराने का
Sorry.
Parce que je crois pas que je fais mon maximum. Je crains que je ne sois pas à la hauteur des autres qui jouent dedans. Et ça m'embête. Je me trompe de ligne, une langue de bois. Je sais pas, je suis jamais comme ça et ça m'embête que dans cette situation je sois aussi mauvais.
Aparna है हाँ भेजिए अंदर Hi Mona. Hi, how are you? And in that time I spoke to her just for 2 minutes. Hi Mona, I'm Aparna. How are you? It's great to see you. And that was that. Because this woman, her house, in her office, the phone just does not stop ringing. It's like one line to the other and she's always like, yeah, hold on, I'm getting another call. And cut, she's on to the other line. But she's definitely the best this country has to offer. We're coordinating for models, for movies. She is considered the very best. I'll tell you. And now it's time for Delhi model Aparna Kumar to do an encore in Manu Kumaran's Kiss Kiss Ko. Aparna plays the female lead in Kiss Kiss Ko. Like this movie that I've just done, which is the first Hindi movie for me. It's with this boy band called the Band of Boys. It's 5 boys who sing, dance, compose the music, write the music, and act. So this is the movie, and we just got a call for it, and because one of the singers in the band is a friend of mine.
चाहा तुझे है जहाँ से भी ज़्यादा, तू ही मेरा प्यार गोरी, तू ही मेरा प्यार, पालू तुझे तो पालू जग सारा, तू ही मेरा प्यार गोरी, तू ही मेरा प्यार, चाहा तुझे है जहाँ से भी ज़्यादा, तू ही मेरा प्यार गोरी, तू ही मेरा प्यार, तू ही मेरा प्यार गोरी, तू ही मेरा प्यार। याद है वो नदिया के नाले, दुनिया भरन को आना, लहरों की हरकत पे गोरी, हल्के से वो घबराना,
नाजुक पैरों का तेरे एकदम से फिसल जाना, मेरी बाहों में तेरा गिरना, धीरे से शर्माना,
चाहा तुझे है जहाँ से भी ज़्यादा, तू ही मेरा प्यार गोरी, तू ही मेरा प्यार, पालू तुझे तो पालू जग सारा, तू ही मेरा प्यार गोरी, तू ही मेरा प्यार, तू ही मेरा प्यार गोरी, तू ही मेरा प्यार।
Thank you. Thank you. That'll be all.
Bye, Pulu. I can work with some directors. I don't know if I can work with all of them, because I don't know if I could relate completely, or they could relate completely with where I'd be coming from creatively, or I could relate completely from where they're coming from creatively. So, but the crossover films that are being made now, they're being made by a lot of people who have traveled. So the understanding is different. The whole culture and the genre is changing of making films. It's not going completely west. It's not completely the old Indian style of making films. It's now slowly changing to a different form.
In India, Western dancing came. It sounds like I'm claiming this, but actually Western dancing in India came because of Mithun, because he got in disco in India.
Yeah.
And once disco came in, breakdance came in.
Yeah.
After breakdance came in, jazz dancing came in. And today I have a choreographer who's a learned ballet dancer.
But no movie in India has ever shown jazz dancing the way it is. I think earlier it used to be all that very Govinda, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I'm not talking about that movement. What is today's movement?
It's much more subtle than earlier, yeah?
How do you explain it?
जैक्सन स्टाइल इज गुड, लेकिन आपने बीच में शायद एक वीडियो देखा होगा, उसमें एक जैक्सन का वीडियो था, उसमें एक लड़की होती है जो क्लासिकल करती है और जैक्सन वाह 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 जैक्सन पोस्चर, तो वहाँ पे आपको डिफरेंस नजर आ जाएगा। होता ये है कि हम अगर क्लासिकल में ये करते हैं, जस्ट टेक एन क्लासिकल, जस्ट क्लासिकल एंड दिस स्टेप 1 2 3 4, अगर यही स्टेप हम वेस्टर्न में करेंगे तो कैसे करेंगे? जस्ट टेक 1 2 3 4, जस्ट टेक वेस्टर्न स्टाइल, जस्ट दिस इंडियन स्टाइल, जस्ट इन वेस्टर्न, जस्ट
You do it romantic, really romantic, okay? The whole thing is really romantic. Okay, try it like that. Do the dashu. Yeah, 5,
चलो ये भी
Then came Amitabh Bachchan, who was truly, absolutely the greatest star that India has ever produced. Even today, he is a #1 actor. He's 60 years old. That man has amazing charisma, and he, just because of his charisma, ripped through the Indian film industry. He was at one point of time called the one-man industry. You know, any film that Amitabh Bachchan would act in, the film was bound to do well. There was no two questions about it. But today, it has changed. After that came Shah Rukh Khan, who tried to emulate the success of superstars. But then Shah Rukh Khan, I can very safely say, was the last superstar that the country will ever see. Because we have now gone beyond stars. Our Hindi film industry no longer depends on stars. Today, the star is the script.
Right now, it's a time in Hindi cinema, I hate Bollywood, Hindi cinema, that people are expanding into other areas, because there used to be this thing of formula films through the 80s and through the 90s, where you had the good guy and the bad guy, the heroine and the dance numbers, you know, and it's very comfortable because the films were coming out, they were doing well, but the trends are changing because now television has exploded. So that luxury of being the only medium of entertainment is gone, and people have wisened up because they're exposed to so much more. These things have caused the few people on the top of Bollywood to accept newcomers.
क्या हुआ?
अरे ये कैसे कपड़े पहने हुए तुमने?
ज्यादा लंबा हो गया ना? I just knew it. Anyway. क्या? You scared me.
You scared me? पीछे का कहाँ है?
It's backless.
Backless?
बहुत लंबा हो गया ना? I knew it. I just knew it. It's backless. You scared me.
देखा तुमको जब से, बस देखा तुमको यार। देखा तुमको जब से, बस देखा तुमको यारा। तुमसे कोई अच्छा है ना, तुमसे कोई प्यारा। यूं नजरें ना फेरो तुम मेरे।
Those stars are gone. They are history now.
Comme toute autre personne, bon, j'ai eu des moments très difficiles. En fait, je me suis séparé de ma femme aussi. Je ne sais pas si c'est à cause de Bollywood ou est-ce que c'est juste une des choses qui arrivent, mais ça m'est arrivé. Et puis, il y a eu des moments où je me suis senti vraiment tout délaissé complètement parce que c'était tout au début. J'attendais vraiment de faire un grand rôle dans un film et quand j'étais pas sélectionné, j'étais vraiment très déçu. Parce qu'en plus, le réalisateur était un pote et ça m'a mis un peu les rouges. Donc, no, but normally I would tell you not to watch Rajat's film more than once, but this time I can tell you please watch it more than very many times. No, not more than once. ठीक है, 3-4 बार.
Second time I can watch your 20.
Your parents have seen? No, your parents haven't seen.
So that's your last film.
Raghu Romeo. It's not my last, okay? It's my latest. Rahul is going to kill me because he says that I made a film after so many years and Rahul is there only for 23 seconds. Well, the point is that he is there. Any number of friends in Bombay who are actors, who are very good actors, very fine actors, and they have no work. They have work, they have television, which is crap, but they do it for money. Everybody knows they do it for money. They have not been happy with what they're doing, Nobody's happy doing television, obviously. Television is bad all over, but Indian television is particularly bad. In the mainstream films, all the big roles go to the big stars. So these very talented actors are there in the film for 5 minutes as somebody's friend, somebody's uncle, and so on. And they get very frustrated, very angry.
बस अब और नहीं, वरना मेरा भी हाथ उठ जाएगा। मैं माँ हूँ तेरी। कोई नहीं है मेरा, सिर्फ मैं।
This is Babu Romeo, which is about a common man who's a waiter, and he's obsessed by a character on TV, a piece of fiction, and he thinks she's for real, and he has a relationship with her. And the guy who's playing that is Vijay Raz. He's a wonderful actor, and he came from nowhere. Well, so it seems. But no, he's not the Bollywood type at all. But he had enough courage to say, okay, that he wants to make a career in cinema. He doesn't have the looks, he doesn't have the body, he doesn't have the talents that are needed for a Bollywood film, but he has immense confidence, and there's something else. He's got great instinct, I think the best actors in the world have this instinct. And luckily for him, it is also a good time for somebody like him, when some alternative films are being made, some low budget films are being made, in which people like him, talented people like him are needed.
I don't see this as a film. It's a life. It's a life of a person like me in film, and that is what cinema is all about. If you can create a life which is if you see that, you should think that, oh, this is real. I want to play myself completely, and that is very difficult for me to in one film. I can't do that in one film. I want to play myself completely, and that is very, very difficult for me to do in a single film. So for that I will have to do so many films.
साले तू रोमियो क्या हाँ जान हथेली रख के खतरों से खेला, नेताजी को खाली मौत के मुंह से खींचेला। मैं हीरो रोमियो, मैं हीरो, रंगीन सपने सच का खेल बदल के करके गुदगुदी मेरी चाल है, बदलते क्या नशा है। उफ छोटियां हजार भर हो गया यकीन, पलंग पे वो लगी पड़ी लेती गहरी नींद, सचमुच ये तो हद हो गई। ये पल आज नहीं किसी पल सा, ये नहीं पल किसी एर गैर पल सा, ऐश हो गई साला ऐश हो गई। सावन का महीना wasn't me, पवन करे सो wasn't me, ये रहने तुम्हें ऐसे wasn't me, ऐसे बनना नाचे मोर wasn't me। उछले मन मेरा उछले अरमा, नचले ये दिल गुर्दे फड़के मैं चक्रवात सा बढ़ के मस्ती जंप मस्ती मारी जब पसीना छलके कल पट्टी जिस रस पिघलते होठों पर अंगारे थिरकते, गले में प्यास की कांटे उलझते, राजा मैं सातवें आसमान का हुआ हूँ, रत अपना हर दिशा में दौड़ रहा हूँ। मैं जो भी करना चाहे वो सब उनसे खुल के करा, समय का चक्का जाम करा के सूरज की थोड़ी प्यास बुझा। राजा मैं राजा, मैं राजा रघुसाले तू राजा, तारों को थोड़ा दम लगवा के चांद के संग डिस्को ले जाओ, बादलों को धुन गद्दा बना के ग्रहों को लेटा के आराम कर रहा हूँ। पंगा कोई पंगा डाले क्या, झाड़ू से असुरों को भगाकर देवों की दावत पर बुलाओ, तुम ही या तुम ही या तुम ही या। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपिस्तीर लोक उजागर, रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सूत। मस्ती जंप मस्ती जंप।
c'est génial. La vie de Sterling Hayter, il n'a pas de vie. Parce que Sterling Hayter, il struggle, il va partout. Surtout si tu arrives à un stade comme moi, tu blondes. Parce que tu te prends pour être trop bien et tu te donnes des prétentions. Et puis après tu te dis, voilà, le boulot ça va arriver à la maison, sur un plateau. Mais non, la vie d'artiste, normalement, c'est des coups de fil, c'est des rendez-vous. Là, j'ai un rendez-vous cet après-midi, donc j'essaie de me mettre en forme, de bien récupérer mes énergies pour y aller, quoi. Yeah, I'm leaving now. I'll be there in about an hour's time. Okay, thanks, bye. Alors, faire un casting, hein?
Non, bien sûr, le premier rôle, je me vois dans des films un peu différents, des films qui parlent des choses beaucoup plus sensibles que de parler de courir autour des arbres avec une fille derrière ou devant. Oui, tout à fait. Je ne crois pas que les gens me donneront un rôle principal dans un film commercial comme le Bollywood Masala. Je crois pas. Donc là, je ne m'attends pas à ça du tout. Je m'attends plutôt là de faire des rôles bien précis, bien définis et avec un caractère qui a beaucoup plus de couleurs que, par exemple, l'acteur principal dans ces films. Et sinon, évidemment, je me vois en rôle principal, évidemment. J'adore la vie de Bollywood. J'adore la vie de Bollywood. On joue tout le temps. On y joue tout le temps. Soit on bluffe, soit on est honnête. Et si on est honnête, on joue aussi. Et si on joue, on est honnête aussi. Donc c'est vraiment quelque chose d'extraordinaire. Il y a une vraie énergie, tout le monde est là pour bosser, tout le monde est là, tout le monde a un rêve. C'est bien d'être entouré des rêveurs. Et soit de rêves achevés ou soit de rêves inachevés. Mais c'est bien d'être entouré des rêves, c'est bien d'être dans un monde des rêveurs. Parce que il faut rêver. C'est un grand pas dans ma carrière, je crois, parce que c'est déjà un film international, j'ai un rôle très important dans le film. En plus, j'ai des acteurs qui sont avec moi, ils sont magnifiques et c'est un vrai plaisir de travailler avec des gens comme ça. Ils sont très ouverts, l'ambiance sur le plateau est magnifique.
Even if I wanted to go to university.
I don't know when it happened. When did it happen? Yeah, that was it. Instead of, I didn't give it Defiant, yes.
T'as combien de séries qui passent en ce moment sur Paris?
Deux séries. Et puis il y a un téléfilm qui passe en boucle à chaque fois, donc, qui date de 5 ans. Il y a 5 ans et apparemment les gens m'ont dit qu'ils viennent de le regarder aussi. Ça m'a plu, il y a quelques pubs qui flottent quelque part.
आइकॉनिक बन जाते हैं। मुझे ना इस वक्त तो बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं लग रहा।
हाँ, अब मैं तुम्हें अच्छा कहाँ लगूंगा? अब मेरी कोई बात तुम्हें अच्छी कहाँ लगेगी?
बिल्कुल नहीं लगेगी, क्योंकि तुम एक तकियानूस हस्बैंड की तरह बिहेव कर रहे हो। And I hate that attitude.
Je me prépare pour un rendez-vous avec une nouvelle production pour aller discuter un nouveau rôle.
donc ma troisième série. Apparemment, c'est un rôle qui, d'après le producteur, it rocks.
I guess in any artistic field, one does it because it's a way of expressing oneself. A painter paints; it's an expression of his. A dancer dances an expression of his. An actor acts as an expression of his own, and they only do it because they want to express it, because in that expression there is some sort of fulfillment. And yeah, if I'm allowed to express myself, if I'm allowed to do what I love doing, then that's all I want to do. And if it makes people happy, then that's even better, because yeah, as an actor you're in the business to please people. Not necessarily you make people cry or make people angry, make people happy, but essentially you are reaching out to people. And yeah, I want to reach out to people.
What have you done?
Okay.
Again?
Not that you haven't already seen it.
I've seen it 6 times.
Music is the same. This is the first 2 bars of the song. This is right. Now is the time when the boys are picking me up. No, this is when I'm still dancing. This is what they will use these for. Then this goes now. Then I'm starting. No, this is also right. Now another guy takes me and strikes me when I sing. And then it brings me First, be sure that you want to act, because it's not a very, it's the glamour industry, but it's not a very friendly one, and it's not a very easy one to stay in. So if you're expecting instant fame, or even if you're expecting like a good time, forget it, because the amount of work you put behind the scenes, there's no glamour at all. So if it's glamour you want, then don't bother.
Girls, just move out of the way for the drum to go off from there.
Chintu, give me a
Contestants.
महक उठा है ये चमन, खिल रहा है मेरा मन.
Number 11, Lakshmi.
Okay, which one is she?
Femina, Miss India.
The Arms Femina Miss India Universe crown goes to contestant number 28, Tanushree.
I told you.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for being such a wonderful audience.
I am nowhere right now. As far as the industry goes, nobody knows me. So I think in the future, if I do reach a certain level, let's say if this film does get me some acclaim and I do get accepted as an actor, then I would essentially keep doing what I'm doing now, which is being true to the emotion that is required of me. As in being honest, when I'm required to do a shot, I have to be convincing. And to be convincing, I have to be truthful.
Okay, yeah. I'll be there at 10. Okay, where? Yeah, it's great. Where? Okay. Moi je suis très content, je viens d'avoir la confirmation que je pars demain. Demain soir, je prends l'avion pour aller aux États-Unis, tourner dans un film d'Ashutosh Govarikar, le réalisateur de Lagan, nominé pour l'Oscar et tout, le plus grand réalisateur en ce moment et le plus coté, avec Shah Rukh Khan, donc le grand empereur, le plus grand star de Bollywood, et on va jouer 2 scientifiques qui travaillent au laboratoire de NASA au Cap Canaveral. Donc je vais quitter les petites ruelles de Bollywood pour arriver vers le ciel. En l'occurrence, Shah Rukh, c'est lui.
If only tears were laughter, if only night was day, if only prayers were answered, then we would hear God say, no matter what they tell you, no matter what they do, no matter what they teach you, what you believe is true, and I will keep you safe and strong and sheltered from the storm.